You may have noticed something a little bit unusual with Strava today because it now turns out that your flybys, which would have been here, are now missing. Not only that, if you do go to the labs and add it in, nothing much will happen. Now, bear in mind there was 10 of us on intervals this morning, yet there's only 2 listed, so maybe everyone else has got to do a little bit more than I have to. But basically what's happened is that Strava have adjusted all of our privacy settings, so flybys are no longer automatically shown. So what you need to do is go to your profile, so up the top right hand corner, up to settings, not my profile, and then from there come down to privacy controls, and you'll see that flybys are now shown here, that no one is currently able to see my flybys. So now you can click that to share them back, if of course you want to let everybody see them. That's the only way you're going to get your flybys back. Let's see, I don't think I have to update anything then. So now let's see if that's going to work straight away. Doesn't look like it's going to come up straight away, but we'll see that in a little while, I'm sure. No, oh well, not quite as simple as I thought then. So I copy, take out the whole link. Just type in. There we go. So now, as you see, it's only me on there. So if anyone else wants to put their flybys back on, you need to change your security settings. I still can't control zoom on this computer either. Oh look, I'm not moving anywhere. That's because I was coaching. And then we go for a bit of a warm up again.